Are you overwhelmed by the complexities of data extraction? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle with integrating data solutions seamlessly. Apify stands as your ultimate partner, offering a dedicated team of experts. With a technical project manager and lead engineer, consistency is guaranteed. Plus, our flexible integrations work with your existing workflows, saving you hassle. Our custom AI agents are built to handle your specific use cases. We ensure migration is a breeze, transferring projects while maintaining full compatibility. With our enterprise-level service agreements, you're covered with guaranteed support. Experience maximum privacy and scalability. You own your code and data. Join over 10,000 satisfied customers and bring your data to life. Visit Apify today and get ready to transform your workflows.